Hi guys, it's my very first time using this particular range from MAKARI, which is the exclusive active intense. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd see that I've used it there. I've done this short video about this product, but yeah, I thought I'd do a review here as well, just so you guys who probably are trying to find more information about it will get informed and decide whether to buy it or not. Please remember to subscribe and like this video, share to other people, leave a comment, and remember to shop your hair and eyelashes with us at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Without further ado, let's go straight into today's review. I obviously will always start showing you the actual product, so let me just open this up so you can see, because yeah, you guys always want to see how it actually looks, especially when you've not bought a product before. You're always curious, how does it look? And yeah, this is how it looks. A very beautiful brown tube. It's got this kind of pin at the bottom which allows you poke or open the actual tube where the gel comes from, like so. And here I've actually got two of these, so this is the one I've not opened. I thought I'd show you. And on it, as usual, it's got the writings on here. This looks like a silver goldish color for the writings here. It says with maximum strength organic chlorine. I'll touch more on that key ingredient. But yeah, this is how the product looks. And in terms of the box, as usual for most MAKARI products, when you open the inside, it's got the name of MAKARI written all inside the box. A very pretty, good quality packaging. It's got the holographic label here, sticker or label here, just so you know it's original. Please remember to shop with the link down below so you're buying the original from MAKARI, and remember to use my discount code up here so you get 10% off the product. The benefits you get with using this product is that it helps to spot treat. So if you've got spots or marks which are dark and you are really conscious of it and you wanted to fade those spots, you can use this product on those areas. And also it helps with age spots as well. It helps to remove blemishes and fade hyperpigmentation. So if you have an uneven skin tone where there are patches of dark areas you're super conscious of, you can give this product a try to help lighten those areas, just so you can have a more even skin tone and a seamless looking skin. That's what you want, your skin having that consistent tone, an even skin tone, everything looking almost the same in all areas in terms of the color. It also helps to increase the radiance and the glow on your skin, and it also helps it to look smooth, especially in the areas you were spot treating. It will look smoother. That's one thing I've noticed about this product, and yes, it does that. And another benefit is that it can be used by all skin types according to MAKARI, but they've also said that if you have a sensitive skin, you should refrain from using it. So I'm sorry, sensitive skin guys, this product is not for you. Have a chat with MAKARI so they can recommend something else to spot treat those dark areas. And finally, it helps to tackle blemishes and fine lines. So just like myself, at some point I used to have fine lines in these areas of my face. You get to a certain stage in life, you'll be conscious of treating these on your skin. I've been quite conscious and I've been using this for those areas, and it's really helped reduce fine lines in those areas. So yeah, if that is you and you're conscious of any sort of wrinkles, fine lines in any part of your body, give this a try and it might work for you. The first key ingredient, which I mentioned earlier and in some of my past videos, I'm sure you guys are familiar with it, is organic chlorine. So by now you should know it's a skin lightening agent. So that particular key ingredient in there helps to fade those dark spots, marks, the age spots. So that is what this key ingredient does in the gel. Next is glycerin, which acts as a humectant to retain moisture in your skin. Again, it helps to increase hydration on the skin and relieve the skin from dryness. There's also carrot oil, which leaves the skin smooth and also gives it an antioxidant protection. And there's mulberry root extract. Again, just like the organic chloride, this is also a skin brightening agent as well. So in combination with that particular key ingredient, helps to lighten these dark areas. Finally, there is citric acid, which helps to lighten and improve the skin's texture and tone. When it comes to using this product, just a small amount goes a long way. Obviously, it's for spot treating or treating specific areas. So if you are to take an amount of it, you want to take just a small amount and target just that area you're treating, and yes, it will be able to achieve the results you want. You don't have to get too much of the product, because obviously you want to be conscious of the fact that it's not a cheap product, so that it can last longer for you. A contradiction here, which if Makari is watching me, they can let me know, is I can see on their website that you can't use the product every day, and again they're also saying you should use it 3 times a week and just at night. So it's a bit of a contradiction. So if Makari can clarify. Personally, I use it every day because it's not strong on my skin. Perhaps it's a mistake, and mistakes do happen. So yeah, Makari, please clarify so we can be sure if it's just for daily or for 3 times a week. But again, like I said guys, I use it every day and it works for me. Make sure you avoid contact with your eyes and use it just for your face. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification for future uploads. Thank you. Always remember this guys, if you're spot treating, you want to use sunscreen to protect that area so it doesn't re-darken because you expose your skin to the sun. So Makari recommends using the NATURALLE SPF 15 toning serum with this particular product to get the best of results. The final thing I'll recommend is to use the whole exclusive range. If you can't afford, that's my discount code up here to help you get it cheaper, but you don't have to break the bank if you can't afford it guys. Just start with this. Once it works for you, gradually you can introduce other products within the range, and I'm sure you will get to a point where you might be able to afford, or who knows, someone might buy it for you as a gift or something. But yeah, don't break the bank if you can't afford the whole thing. That is all for today for this particular product review. If you've used other products within this exclusive range, let me know your thoughts about it. But yeah, so far it has been good for my skin. I like it. I see myself using it for as long as I can. And yes, thank you so much for all your support guys. I really appreciate it. Take care. Goodbye.